Assalamu alaikum. Today I will make quick farmer's cheese for my cheese dumplings and my cheese pancakes for the truck. Here I have organic whole milk from Costco and this whipped cream also from Costco. This whipped cream I found only in Utah. I didn't see them in Nevada. So let's get started. I have here 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use lemon acid, but you need to use only 1 tablespoon. Let's get started. Now second one, also 4 cups I will put in. I will repeat this 2 more times. So it will be like almost 12 cups of milk. Now I have whipping cream, almost 10 ounces, 8.5, 9 ounces whipping cream. Now I will boil this. You have to stay next to the milk, mix it, stir, so bottom doesn't get burned. We need to boil this at least minimum of 5 minutes. Also, if you have electric stove like mine, you have to be ready to move your pan to the side until you cool down. Then after 5 minutes of boiling, I will add lemon juice. Okay, it's now time to add our lemon juice. It's been boiling more than 6 minutes for now. Let's add our lemon juice. Then we have to boil this around minimum 7 minutes to 12 until you will see it separates from the milk will be broken. As we can see, start separating, but we need to boil more because it has to be more liquid greenish color. It's not there yet. Maybe 10 more minutes we need to boil this. Okay, it's done. I boiled like 15 minutes, but it's still not clear. That's what I want. You can keep it and leave it on the stove, and it gets greenish and clear water. But I need that water to make some crepes and buns. That's why I'm gonna take this out and make a cheese. Okay, next step is I have here cheesecloths. And I have a strainer and big bowl. We need to strain this first. And after I'm done right away, I take this. I don't have to squeeze it. Just take this, see, and transfer. Still leaking, so transfer to different pot and leave it like that. This, I'm gonna make some crepes with this. It's been like 2.5 hours. It's cooled down now. Let's see how much I have here from 12 cups of milk. How much cheese I got here. Okay, 1 pound, 11 ounces, 1 pound. Let's see how many grams. Okay, 775 grams. Here is the farmer's cheese. Unbelievable, smells so good. I already taste a little bit. Tasty. I'm gonna make some cheese pancakes and I'm gonna make cheese raviolis for my truck.